Welcome to Gavin's custom Trackmaster train collection. So please enjoy. Here we have Big City Engine. He's 3 years old because Nana got him and made him in 2017. And this is very special to me, but the wire is broken and it has no battery in it, so I'm gonna fix it after. So I'm gonna show you one of my other trains, a redesigned duck, just redesigned on here. I put black marker right here today. Now I'm gonna move on to the next train. It's a redesigned season 25 Emily. And it's redesigned here and it has red wheels. So I'm going to move on to the next one. This one is Bumblebee Rusty. And I made him in 2019, last year, when he goes, but the problem is he doesn't have a coupling. And he's an old Trackmaster Rusty. So, yes. The next one is a green Molly's Tender. It has a number 1. My Nana made this about 2 years ago, and I took the paint off right here, the paint off right there, and it still goes. So I'm going to move on to the next one. Arthur, that's redesigned on the buffers. Today I colored black marker on the buffers, and he still goes. And this is my old Arthur. These two aren't really customs. They're two funny looking bells. Well, this one's just a redesigned bell that goes fast. And this one is a custom Kevin I'm working on. RWS James. And my Nana made all of this, like the black lining, and it was special. Put it on pause. Put it on pause. So this is Edward, a 2009 version of Edward, which is a custom. Edward has the old face, and the truck has an old face. And I use this Edward in most of my videos. Do you know, this is funny, to make a train of a leprechaun. It has problems with it. And I made this out of my Nana's old Percy. Speaking of Percy, I have a redesigned Percy. I have been Percy with the old face, and it still goes, but slow. It looks a lot worse than my other LBSC Thomas, but it's my LBSC Thomas. It's in rainbow colors. I'm just gonna put that one back and hurry to find my other one. This is my other one. It's a lot better. He goes like that, and he's a lot better than that other junky one. This is my old remote control Percy that doesn't work, so I decided to make him a new Trackmaster Duncan. I'm still working on it though. This is Gothic Percy that my Nana made for me. It's broken though, but me and my daddy will fix it. Toronto Maple Leaf Percy. I made it with Toronto Maple Leaf tape. I bought the Toronto Maple Leaf tape at Walmart. And he still works. Percy as Vinny. I'm gonna make this Vinny in a couple days with my Nana when she comes over to babysit me. And I made this with cardboard. This is Dodge that my Nana made for me. And thanks to my Nana, Marilyn Chamberlain, that made me this. Gold Thomas. You can do that a lot. You can move to different tracks. This is Gothic Thomas. He doesn't work, but he does sometimes. And my Nana helped me make this. But it used to be my broken Donald when I didn't have a Donald. This is Teal Thomas. He has number 1s all over him. He still goes. So I'm going to push him back here so you can see him in the background. Here is Bertram. He doesn't work anymore, but me and Nana made this out of my Nana's oldest Percy. My favorite 2 customs, Norman and the old version of Wilbert. These were the first 2 customs me and my Nana made in 2016. This Percy is 2006, and this Rusty when he was Rusty, he was 2006, and Wilbert works, but Norman doesn't. Here is the new version of Gothic Percy. He works. Iron Airy that's broken. I haven't made an Iron Bert yet, but this is my Iron Airy. It was funny to make this, but this is Blueberry Dodge. He still works, even though he has all that paper on him. I'm going to put him right there. I redesigned my smudger that was in my first strongest engine. I put the face and the name plates, but it's still the same paint in that, and I put an S for smudger, and that's it. So now there is Green Arrow. He still works, and I haven't made his tender yet. And he is made out of new Trackmaster Gordon. Okay. Here is my Gold Percy. I don't know what YouTube channel it's from, but it was just fun to make a Gold Percy. And it's gold on the face, and it's good. So I'm going to move on to the next one. There is my old Bill. He doesn't even work because he has so much hair in the wheels, because I made the day I got the Sky High Bridge jump set. I will make a video of that at a different time, but when I first got the Sky High Bridge jump set, my trains were going everywhere back in the 2015s. So I'm going to move this Bill right here. This is my Mallard that Nana made me. He still goes, and he was in my strongest engine part, my strongest engine 1, and I'm going to move him off to the side under this table. A tree named Gordo instead of Gordon, and he has a mean face, and he has Mia's wheels. Custom jock that me and Nana made out of paper. It's actually a talking James. So I'm going to put this down. I was just playing with this Percy on the track. So here's Percy. It's my oldest Percy. Made out of tape with Thomas's old wheels. This is Black James, my Nana made for me last year. I'm going to put him right there. Silver Bullet I made with my Nana about, the paint's ripped off, so about 3 years ago or 4 years ago. The new version of Wilbur. he goes fast. And my Nana made this for me. This is my newer version of Bill. He goes, and he's yellow and he's made out of a Scarloey, so it might not look like Bill. Custom trailer that came with Thomas, and it was painted, and you could see that it was on my Christmas Talking Thomas on my Demolition Derby 1, and that's all about it. Billy, Nana painted for me, and Billy was in my first World's Strongest Engine. He goes, because before he didn't work in my first Strongest Engine. With my Nana made for me. Truck with back face. It has a face on the back, not the front. And that can go here. Here we have Blue Wheels Ryan. That was just a fun custom to make. That's all about it. Peter Sam, my Nana made for me. He doesn't work though. So, his name is Junk because he's full of junk. He has a 26 and a 26. And I made that. It was an old Rusty, but it's my custom Sydney now. So I'm gonna put it right there. The new version of Smudger. Thomas and the Jam. Eagle that was in my first World's Strongest Engine. I'm trying to turn them on. There. Black Ninja Thomas. Bust My Buffers Gordon. My last custom, Diesel Shunter. Now that's all my customs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.